beautiful day. So today, as my auntie promised me, she's going to show you guys a lovely Sri Lankan mango curry. So I'm here in my garden, so I'm going to pluck some mangoes for her and take it to her kitchen, and she's going to make that a lovely magical dish. So just come with me guys, and let's pluck some good mangoes. I got some mangoes, and also I'm going to get some curry leaves because she asked me she needs some curry leaves as well. So Sri Lankan dish is never cooked. So here we are here in my auntie's kitchen. So she's going to show you Sri Lankan mango curry. This is her own take on the recipe. So it's going to be with less spices, and it's going to create that magic flavor. So all of you guys do give it a try at home. And so let's get into the kitchen and start cooking. So guys, here we got the ingredients. So I got the mango chopped into cubes, and some sugar, and moldy fish, chili flakes, and cinnamon stick, and some cardamom crushed open, ginger garlic paste. Of course we need oil and some salt to taste. So let's get into the cooking. So I'm heating up the pot, and I'm gonna add in some oil, and while the oil start to heat up, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm adding some cardamom and some ginger garlic paste and some cinnamon stick, and we're going to fry this on a medium gas mark. We don't want to brown the ginger garlic paste, we just want it to be a golden brown color. Fry it in the oil. So as you can see, we're adding the chili flakes after the ginger and the garlic has been turned into golden brown color. So we are lightly frying the chili flakes in oil and adding the mango as well. So we have finally finished with this lovely mango curry. You can see that. You can make your own choice. You can cut it into cubes or strips, that's up to you. So let me go and try it, and I'll tell you guys how it tastes like. So let me take a piece of mango. I'll take a piece of mango and let me give it a try. To be honest, it is. I can taste the sugar. In short, it's kind of sweet and sour. It has that sweet and sour taste to it, and also the chili flakes creates that mild spice, kind of tangy flavor. So basically, it's a kind of a very sweet and sour dish, and it's a very good complement for rice and curry. And or you can just have it straight away by itself. I love this mango curry. Do subscribe, guys, and I love making recipes for you guys. And thank you so much, and thanks for my auntie for making this lovely dish. And have a good day.